All right, y'all, it's your girl Stella back here once again. And I don't have a Stella staple for you today, but guess what? I do have something that's very clutch for all the ladies that's getting ready to go into the new year and have, their fitness goals and all the different kind of stuff. Like, hey, I know for me, cutting starts for me January the 1st, so I'll be cutting back on a lot of things and really starting to trim down very slowly, getting ready for the summer. Okay? So, here's the clutch, y'all. What you got to do when you are meal prepping and you are trying to save money because food is expensive. It's expensive. Let's no doubt. So you gotta roll up and get out of the bed. You gotta get out of the bed and go to Kroger or Publix or whatever. But I usually go to Kroger and get your meats while they are on sale early in the morning, and then you come home and you prep your food. So if you're gonna prep for the week and you go doing your grocery shopping on Sunday for all of the items that you're gonna prep, get up and be one of the first ones at the store. you know Early bird definitely gets the savings when it comes to your protein. Like for me, I'll use this for example. I'm not gonna cut in it and all that different kind of stuff. Like this ground turkey, right? So this ground turkey is usually very expensive because it doesn't have any antibiotics in it, and hey, so it's usually more expensive. This little bitty pack of ground turkey is usually $4.88. I got this little pack of ground turkey for $2.50. Okay, this came from Ingles, so I actually got the Ingles when they were putting out all of their meats on sale or what have you. So I actually got this for $2.50, and I bought several of them because I'm gonna eat turkey a lot. Okay, because that's what's on sale. So I'm gonna eat the turkey, the ground turkey. Okay, so you make your meals according to around what it is that you can catch on sale. All right, so I got some ground beef. Now this is 100% beef, all right? And so the special on it, this pack of beef is usually $21. So today I got it for like $14. So I saved some money, right? Right? So, and this one right here was $12. Now I couldn't find another one. This one right here was $12 because it was marked down for quick sale. Okay? So I got this one for 12. So I'm rocking and rolling. Okay? So that is one of the things about getting up and getting to the store early. You can catch those items that are on sale early in the morning. And that goes for Kroger too, even though this is Ingles and these are the items that were on sale. Kroger pretty much has the same thing. When you can get the Kroger when they first open in the morning, you can get all of your protein that you need to be successful in the morning, but you gotta get up. It's clutch, and guess what? Stella is all about saving you a dollar and saving me a dollar. Sometimes I spend it wisely, sometimes I waste it, but for the most part, when it comes to getting up and getting my proteins or whatever, when I'm getting ready to meal prep, I'm in that thing. Okay, I'm in that thing early. I wake up very early in the morning and I'm done early in the day. Okay, so that's my tidbit for today, y'all. That's one of them things I want you to keep clutch. If you are meal prepping, get up, get to the store early, and usually try to meal prep around what it is that you can find on sale. So if you can find turkey and you like turkey, meal prep around those things so that you can save money throughout your journey. Okay, all right, you all have a really, really good day. Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Stella, and I'm out.